the DogBar that happened at ADCC. It was amazing and it was perfectly timed. The guy, he's from Germany, he trains at Matrix. I can't say his name. I'm not going to try because I butcher it. But he went the whole, he's a purple belt, he went the whole event, didn't get a point scored on him, and subbed the last guy with this, and it was just amazing. So, in half guard, and he popped his way up to dogfight. So, right here, make sure you get a good view. And he was based out here, he had one leg in on it, he wasn't trying to lock it from here, pushing in, and they had just come up, like the clip I was watching, I didn't see the full match for this like part of the sub, but the clip I was watching looked like he just got flipped over. Like from here, if he wanted to drive heavy with the whizzer and knock me back over, boom, right? And then I build the base back up again. He used that because he just came up and then dude went for it again. And when he did it the second time, he takes this hand, drives all the way through, keeps this locked, gets all the way up, and then boom, drives down into the DogBar. And man, the tap was just, and like screaming. It's just super smooth, it flows really well together. So here, up, and then when he drives, dive through, all the way up, twist the hips down, and drive into the DogBar. Subscribe, buy my shit.